Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is data completeness check. In the previous video, we understood as a part of the data quality, we need to check the data completeness, data accuracy, data consistency. So we'll move forward to understand what is data completeness. We are trying to understand the big data testing. Completeness check is very important dimension of data quality. As a part of the completeness, we will ensure that the data which is ingested, stored, and processed is complete. And nothing is missing. Nothing is missing which was supposed to be there in the table of a database or in a file. Especially when we are talking about the big data environments, we are talking about the vast amount of data, which is spread across different systems in a distributed system. So you have to ensure the data is complete in all the systems, which is distributed across different systems in a cluster. So take an example. As a part of the data completeness check, we'll see if there are any missing values. So that means if there is a missing value, then the data is not complete, right? And also we'll check whether if there are any duplicate values. So this duplicate value check can be considered as a part of the completeness check and also can be considered as a part of the accuracy check. As a part of the completeness check, will ensure that all the required data is present and accurately captured in a data set. Data set can be a table or a file or a HDFS, any of the systems. Data completeness check also validates none of the essential information is missing across the specified fields or records. It ensures the data integrity as per the specified business rules and requirements. As a part of the completeness check, will also ensure the data is loaded or migrated without compromising the quality and reliability of the data. All of this would be checked or validated through completeness check. We do have different types of completeness check, and they are: one is record count check, the second one is column data profiling, the third one is data duplication check. Let us look at them one by one in the subsequent videos. Thank you.